Hey guys, what I have here is a JDM ASTAR 8000, I believe. I believe it's 8000 lumen per set is the way it's advertised. I bought this towards the end of 2017, I want to say. Installed it around December 2017. And for quite some time, this has started flashing. When I'm sitting in a parking lot or in a drive-through, this light will go out and go back on. I believe the cooling fan quit working, which when sitting still, it would overheat and shut off. And then just recently, within the past week or so, I started getting some very strange colors, purplish, a bluish color. So finally decided, yeah, it's time to change this out. Noticed that had some damage to the LEDs. So this is has the three sides. I've read good things and bad things about using this type. Anyways, read lots of reviews, and I decided to give these guys a try. Cougar Motor, what's it say? Polarity, dual turbo. Anyways, so I got one of these installed on the driver's side, replacing this JDM on a 2008 GMC Yukon. Process is not the easiest, but I'll tell you, removing the JDM was a lot easier than removing the original stock. There's a bar that goes across here. You need to remove that. Take out two screws that are holding this tight, and then you can wiggle your hand back in there and change out the light bulb. You can see the new bulb that's right there. It's black with the gray end on it, and we'll give it a try. I already adjusted it a bit. These are the brights. Now, it's difficult to tell through the screen, however, but the new one has a significantly brighter center point, specifically right here. This does have an adjustment. This was the best I could get the adjustment. The old one, very little change between brights and normal driving lights. I'll change it to normal driving lights, but it's more of just a mass. There's no one point that's bright. Now I'll try this again tonight. I'll see if the video comes out. Here's the normal driving lights. And again, may not come out in the video, but the old JDM, just sort of a blob. This whole area has looks about the same light amount, and the new one, it's very bright in this area right here. And then was not able to focus it good enough to get, I still have a pretty bright bar here, and then a second bright area here, a little bit dimmer. So hopefully it doesn't blind oncoming vehicles. That's about the best I could focus this lens. So I'll wrap it up here, and if the video comes out when it gets darker out, I'll show you guys then. Hey guys, if you follow my channel, you know this truck, the GMC Yukon XL, blew up. The engine blew up, so I don't still have this, not still testing out the lights. However, shortly after this was filmed, I did switch over both the driver and passenger side to the new Cougar lights, and they were much better than the JDM ASTAR G2 8000s. So if you're looking for upgrading to LEDs, I would recommend the Cougars. They seem to work pretty good. I actually saw the Cougar Motor H13s are no longer available on Amazon, so I don't know what's going on there, but Looks like they do have some others available. Maybe there's an upgraded model. But I would say those ones were significantly better than the old JDMs that I had. So, hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.